Proper cleaning keeps your pump safe and hygienic. Here's the simple routine. After each use, disassemble your pump completely and rinse everything in cool water before milk residue dries and sticks. Wash all parts in warm, soapy water with a dedicated bottle brush, paying attention to small crevices like the valve, which can trap milk. Rinse thoroughly. Air dry parts on a clean towel or drying rack. Avoid wiping with a cloth, which can reintroduce bacteria. Some parts are dishwasher safe or sterilizable. Check your pump's instructions. For babies under a few months, many providers recommend sanitizing parts once a day in addition to washing after every use, using a steam bag, boiling water, or a dishwasher's sanitize cycle. Inspect your valve and membrane regularly, since worn parts directly affect suction. If your pump feels less effective, a worn valve is often the cause.